Hello. It's been a long time since I've posted a video, but I started working on this project again. I got the nose done. And pretty much sheeted. I've been filling up all the screw holes. Uh, putting some putty on it. Going back here to the bow. Thinking about cutting a square hole in here, making a well for an outboard motor to stick through. Or I just might go a traditional route. Put a propeller in the back. Still want to do the paddle wheel idea. I just want to make this thing more usable. Idea still. Pretty much exhausted all my sandpaper today, so I've called it quits. I think it should go through the water pretty nice. As soon as I get finished sanding on it and filling up all the little craters in it, I'll give it a couple coats of epoxy resin. And then start doing a 3-inch layer of fiberglass cloth on all the seams. I still want to put a centerline keel down the outside here. And been drawing up ideas for my own homemade gearboxes so I can work the paddle wheel. Still working on the trailer. Found parts of an old trailer guy made with an old Model T, so offered him 30 bucks for that. Thinking about using that to custom build myself a trailer. I don't know how good that'd be in the long run. But for a while here, I was using the top of this for a workbench. After cleaning it off, I got interested again, so you have those days. Still working 2 jobs, so don't have all the free time in the world. Alright, thank you for watching.